Greetings, people, and welcome to Good Evening Niger. Finally, a sigh of relief is here for Nigerians as the Central Bank of Nigeria has bowed to pressures and ordered that the old naira note should remain legal tender until the 31st of December this year. And of course, about 10 days ago, the Supreme Court of Nigeria has ordered that the old naira note should remain legal tender until the 31st of December this year. For reason they claim that Buhari did not give sufficient time for the implementation of the new Naira policy, and they equally abolished the cash withdrawal limit that was also imposed on Nigerians by the new money policy of the Buhari's administration. For reason they said it was a violation of the citizens' right for the president to dictate how they use their property. And in obedience to that order, after 10 days, the Central Bank of Nigeria released a communique wherein they said that the old Naira note, that is the old 200, 500, and 1,000 Naira, can now remain legal tender till 31st of December. And so Nigerians cannot transact with those money. You cannot buy and sell with the old 200, 500, and of course the 1,000 Naira note till December 31st, when it ceases to be legal or tender. And of course, yesterday the presidency had denied Emefiele and of course the Attorney General of the Federation by saying that the President Muhammadu Buhari never asked them not to obey the Supreme Court order. But the question we should be asking Buhari is, you didn't ask them not to obey. Did you ask them to obey? That is the question we should be asking Buhari, because the Central Bank of Nigeria is an agency of the federal government, and they take directive rather from the president of the country. So you remaining mute after the court judgment was an indication that you were not interested in what the Supreme Court of the nation said. But however, today, this is sigh of relief for Nigerians. That is the most important thing. And kudos to different bodies and civil societies organizations that have mounted pressure on the presidency and, of course, Godwin Emefiele in ensuring that the Supreme Court order has been obeyed. If you have been following me very well, you will know that I said in the past that Buhari would never obey the Supreme Court order because he has been so disobedient to rule of law and court orders since his inception as the president of this nation since 2015. But anyway, congratulations to Nigerians on this. My name is Richard Agbolo. I'll keep updating you on issues pertaining to this country.